The webmaster's main responsibilities are in managing and developing the chapter website, administrating our Facebook page, mailing lists and other web services, and educating other officers on how to use the many online and technical services and systems the chapter relies upon. A main role of the webmaster is to document what he or she does and how things work so as to share important information with future webmasters and officers. Event commitment is low in comparison to other positions other than to troubleshoot any problems. Knowledge of HTML, CSS, PHP, JavaScript, WordPress, and cPanel are all pluses, but not required and can be picked up on the job. Ongoing tasks for the webmaster include the continued development of the TAMO ACM SIGGRAPH chapter website, managing the migration of documents from the Google Drive to the Officer Wiki, and creating and managing a member wiki for tutorials, videos, contacts, and other information created by TAMO ACM SIGGRAPH members. Those interested in becoming webmaster will find themselves in a role of a technical support specialist, web designer, or system administrator. You'll have lots of opportunities to develop your technical and programming skills on the job, but be warned that the webmaster position can be demanding and require a high level of cooperation and communication with other officers so that you can facilitate them and their needs.